Hey everybody, we're Janktown.
Yo.
We both carry pocket knives, and we're about to make a quick little video on why pocket knives are so useful.
Oh, that's kind of creepy.
Opening packages.
Removing staples.
Cutting tags.
Stirring drinks.
Slicing fruit.
Sharpening pencils.
Whittling wood.
Kindling.
Stripping wire.
Opening bottles.
Clipping money.
Poking bubble wrap.
Removing stickers.
Cutting leather.
Untying knots.
Holding a hot pot.
Hanging clothes.
Splitting key rings.
Alright, thanks.
Hey everybody, I'm Janktown.
Yo.
And we're going... Wait, what am I gonna say? We're gonna do a video on...
No, just say hey.